Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 2 of my clean and decorate with me. So in this video I'll be cleaning up as always, giving you some cleaning motivation, and then I'm going to be decorating my dining room area and probably lay some parts in my kitchen. So yeah, we are just gonna be decorating just a little bit here. But remember I told you guys I'm also doing my Friendsgiving series here as well. So in this video today, the YouTube friend I am collabing with today is Arena. Her channel is amazing, okay? She uploads like mom videos and stuff like that, and she posts like cleaning videos and all that as well. And I am going to let her introduce herself.
Hello everyone, my name is Arena. I am a wife and a mom of 2 toddlers. My son is 3.5 and my daughter is turning 2 in a couple weeks here. Over on my channel, I post all about motherhood lifestyle and homemaking, all about making your home cozy and inviting and enjoying your time in your home with your family. So if that is something that you are interested in, definitely consider heading over to my channel and subscribing. I would love to have you.
Alright guys, don't forget to check out Arena's video after you check out mine. But I am going to stop my rambling and let's just get into this Christmas clean and decorate with me. So now I'm just going to be cleaning off this mirror, and I asked Jeremy to hang this mirror up for me because we're going to be putting it over the mantle like for a long time now. I just been having it just kind of like sit up right there on, you know, the mantle, but we are going to be hanging her up. So I'm so excited to be hanging her up because the finished look and the outcome of how everything came out, I am so pleased with it.
I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Now I'll be adding my rose gold pits that I got from Joann's and into my wreath and my garland that I also got from Joann's. And I absolutely love how everything turned out. I am obsessed with the way I'm going and, you know, decorating for Christmas this year because it's so me. I am definitely a more modern type of person, but I also love my sparkles, you know, which will make it, you know, glam. So I am very happy with how everything came out.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da. Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's...
So now I'll be adding my trees, and I got these trees from Five Below, guys. They were $2, okay, a steal. And I'm going to be also adding my cones I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's just gonna make I'm so in love with this mantle.
It's supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again, baby.
And I also added some fairy lights, and some people call them twinkle lights, you know, so I added those to the garland as well, and I'll be showing you guys that towards the end of the video. It looks so pretty lit up at nighttime.
I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So now I'm going to be decorating this cabinet over here. This is actually where I keep like all my candles and my crock pot and stuff like that, you know, over here. But I got that little circle tray from Yesenia's Etsy website. So you guys should definitely go check her, you know, website out, because she has some nice pieces on her website. I picked that up, and I also picked up like a rectangular type of tray that you guys are going to see when you see me like decorate my kitchen for Christmas.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me.
So I'm only going to be hanging up my little, you know, glam wreath right here. And then I'm going to be moving on to the living room. Remember I told you guys I was going to be getting a new furniture piece for the living room, and this is it. This is the console table that I've been wanting for a minute now, and I'm going to be decorating her. I got those flowers from Joann's, the same flowers as like the garland that I have in the wreath. So everything is, you know, cohesive. Everything is, you know, the same. But with this, I actually got like two of those, I don't know what you call them, but it's pretty much you can put them like in a vase, you know, by itself. But I decided to put two pieces together to kind of make my own like small little garland. So that's what I'm doing here, and I absolutely love how it turned out. It's really, really pretty.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted.
And these are the glitter reindeers that I decided to get from At Home. They were $10, but if you are, you know, military, you get a 10% military discount. So that was a good buy as well. Remember I told you guys I was going to get the reindeers from Five Below, but I didn't like how they looked. So I just decided to go to At Home, and I found these rose gold reindeers. So I am absolutely happy with these reindeers.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas
So now I'm going to be decorating this side of my dining room. I don't know if have you guys ever seen this side of my dining room before? Well, it's like a little, you know, divider like right here, and it's to the dining room and then, you know, to the living room. But I keep like our family pictures and stuff up here. I did a little garland for fall as well over here too, and I liked how it turned out, so I was like, okay, let me put one over here for Christmas. And I'm telling you guys, like, everything is just flowing and I love it. So I'm so excited how me adding the rose gold picks to these garlands, because that's exactly what I envisioned, and I love it when my visions, you know, kind of play out into what I want it to be. So yeah, I'm excited about it. So if you guys decide to do something like this, let your girl know down below, because I'm curious to know if you guys just kind of buy stuff and then you just kind of tweak it and you just make it your own.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree.
So if this is your first time coming to my channel, or you are coming over from Arena's channel, thank you for stopping by and welcome. My name is Ebony. I am a mother to 2 beautiful boys, and I am married. My husband's in the military. Here I upload tons of cleaning motivation videos. I post home decor videos, and I also post some mama life videos. So I really do appreciate it. You consider subscribing if that's the kind of content that you like. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification and hit all so you don't ever miss out on any future uploads. And to all of my returning subscribers, you guys already know you are my real ones. I appreciate you all so much for always clicking on your girl videos, liking, commenting, and sharing. I appreciate it so much. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, because you guys know it helps my channel out a lot. And it also lets me know that you like content like this. And it also lets YouTube know to push your girl. So make sure you hit that like button.
It is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for
Now I will say that these garlands are they're kind of messy, because they have like those flocked leaves on it, which I mean I think is very pretty, but they can also be very messy on top of all the glitter and stuff that I have. So yeah, I'm just gonna be vacuuming all the, you know, flocked and glitter pieces off the floor, and then I was just gonna be doing an overview and show you guys everything.
the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've dead.
Well, all right, you guys, this is the end of this video, and this is the end of part 2 of my Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me series I'll be having here on my channel. And I really do hope that this video gave you guys some inspiration or some ideas on how to decorate for your home for this Christmas season. And also, don't forget to go check out Arena's video, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Blessings. Bye.